Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast.
Hi listeners, this is Real English Conversation.
If you want to improve your English listening and speaking, you're in the right place.
Today's topic is daily English routine.
This conversation is perfect for B1 B2 learners.
So relax, listen carefully, and try to repeat some sentences.
By the way, I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex.
Let's start our conversation.
Emma, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
That's quite early. Do you wake up easily?
Not really, I need at least 2 alarms.
Same here, I sometimes hit the snooze button again and again.
What's the first thing you do after waking up?
I drink a glass of water and check my phone for messages.
I try not to check my phone immediately. I do some stretching instead.
That's a healthy habit.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I stretch for 10 minutes.
That's a good habit.
What are you having for breakfast?
Toast and fruit.
Sounds healthy.
What about you?
Eggs and tea.
Breakfast gives energy for the day.
Do you practice English daily?
Yes, I listen to English podcasts.
When do you listen?
In the morning while eating breakfast.
That's a smart way to learn.
What time does your work start?
At 9 a.m.
Do you work from home?
Yes, it saves time.
Do you use English at work?
Yes, for emails and meetings.
Do you take breaks during work?
Yes, every 2 hours.
What do you do in break time?
I drink coffee and relax. Do you talk in English?
Sometimes, for practice. What do you do in the evening?
I go for a walk.
Do you practice English then?
Yes, I speak with a friend.
Evening practice is very useful.